Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are embarking on a journey into the heart of vintage Scottish farmhouse decorating ideas. Join me as we explore the magic of combining vintage charm with the rustic allure of farmhouse style. Get ready to transform your living space into cozy retreats with character and timeless elegance. Discover the essence of vintage Scottish farmhouse, a delightful marriage of vintage simplicity and farmhouse warmth. We will explore how this style captures the best of both worlds, creating a homey atmosphere that feels inviting and full of character. Dive into the soft and pastel color palettes that define vintage Scottish farmhouse style, from gentle blues to faded pinks and muted greens. We will explore how these colors evoke a sense of tranquility and vintage charm. Explore the charm of distressed furniture and cottage finds. We will discuss how to incorporate vintage pieces with a weathered look, combining them with farmhouse style furniture to create a cozy and lived-in feel. Embrace the vintage aesthetics with floral patterns and cottage accent. Discover how delicate floral fabrics, vintage lace, and charming cottage accessories can add a touch of romance and nostalgia to your farmhouse decor. Learn the art of mixing textures and cottage materials to create a rich and layered look. From the softness of vintage linens to the warmth of rustic wood and wicker, we will explore how these elements come together to form a harmonious cottage farmhouse ambience. Enhance the coziness with warm lighting and cottage accessories. Explore the allure of vintage-inspired lighting fixtures, cozy cottage-style throws, and the charm of antique accessories that contribute to the vintage cottage farmhouse vibe. Get hands-on with DIY cottage farmhouse projects that add a personal touch to your space. From creating distressed finishes to repurposing vintage finds, we will delve into creative ideas that allow you to express your unique style. Embrace soft and muted color tones such as pastel blues, faded pink, and gentle greens. Incorporate neutral shades like whites and creams to create a light and airy ambience. Option for distressed furniture pieces to capture the vintage while loud look. Include cottage-style finds like vintage chair, repurposed wooden crates, and antique tables. Introduce floral patterns through curtains, throw pillows, and upholstery for a touch of cottage charm. Display cottage accent like vintage tea sets, porcelain figurine, or antique wall art. Combine textures like lace, linen, and weathered wood to create a diverse and inviting space. Use natural materials such as wicker baskets or woven rug to enhance the cottage farmhouse feel. Install vintage-inspired lighting fixtures like chandeliers, lanterns, or pendant lights. Decorate with cottage accessories such as vintage mirrors, old clocks, or woven baskets. Dress up beds and sofas with vintage-inspired linens, quilts, and crochet blankets. Mix and match different textures and patterns for a relaxed and lived-in look. Create a farmhouse-style kitchen with open shelving, rustic wooden cabinets, and vintage appliances. Display vintage kitchenware like enamelware mason jars and antique utensils. Engage in DIY projects that add a personal and vintage touch to your decor. Consider distressing furniture, creating vintage style sign, or repurposing old items. Bring the outdoors in with potted plants, vintage style garden tools, and floral arrangements. Consider creating a small indoor herb garden or displaying fresh flowers in vintage vases. Create a cozy sitting nooks with vintage chairs, comfy cushions, and soft throws. Pitch this nook near windows to capture natural light and emphasize the cottage feel. Infuse your space with personal touches and family heirlooms to tell a unique story. Display vintage family photos, heirloom quilts, or handmade craft with sentimental value. As we conclude our journey through vintage cottage farmhouse decorating ideas, I hope you have found inspiration to infuse your living space with the warmth, character, and timeless elegance of this delightful style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon in the next video. Till then, happy decorating!